Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful hairstyles. So watch the video till the end and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. So first we will tie the hairs like this on the sides. You can try these hairstyles on your kids' hair. It will look very awesome and beautiful. So keep fixing the hairs as shown in the video, tie them and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs in the front like this. Now fix it in the small distance using the rubber bands. Tie them together on the back like this. Make the plaits and it's ready. Next, comb the hairs properly and divide the hairs. Make the plaits into small sections. Join them on the back one by one. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs like this by making the plaits. Join it on the back, tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle is ready. Next, comb the hairs properly and tie it on the top. Divide it into two parts by making the plaits. Fix it on the back like this. Fix the hair ribbon and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs on the sides. Fold it upward and fix it using the hair clips and it's ready. Next, comb the hairs properly and take small section of the hairs in the front. Fix it like this. Now tie the hairs on the back, make the plaits, divide it into two sections, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and the back like this. Make the plaits, tie the hairs and fix it in a bow shape on the top and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.